Welcome, in 60 seconds we'll set up your FanDuel account for 2025. Step 1. Open the FanDuel app or website and tap Create Account. Enter your name, email, strong password, and accept the terms. Step 2. Verify your identity. Tap Verify Now in Settings. Upload a photo ID and a selfie. Make sure lighting is even. Wait for confirmation. Verification usually completes within minutes to a day. Step 3. Add a payment method, card, bank transfer, or PayPal. Enter card details or use instant bank verification, then confirm your billing address. Set a deposit amount, check for bonuses, and tap Deposit to fund your wallet. Enable two-factor authentication and create a secure password for extra protection. Review transaction limits, responsible play tools, and required document storage tips. You're ready. Explore contests, place your first wager, and play responsibly. Good luck!